what that was doing. I was wondering, that guy who was here earlier, the supervisor, boss, high beat person.
Pulling back from 12548 35th Avenue Northeast. The taller guy was TJ, and the second guy in the hoodie was Dwayne.
What does he even show up here for? Just to like get you started?
No, he was. They come to like see if there's anything needs to be dug up. Do those bids. I feel like Dwayne already gave you the bid.
Well, it's funny because I heard something about a $7,000 bid, and I don't know what the fuck that's for. But I mean, doesn't all that shit need to be cleared up? That
Yep. That's what the gutters.
Okay. So does the jetter do more than just like go through and put water pressure through something? Does anything go through and cut that stuff up? And
The water pressure does.
It does.
If it goes up, I will. The one in the back of my truck.
How many PSI is that jetter?
Which one?
Like the one that...
The big one is like 435.
3,500?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I've had a water pressure.
This is 1,000 maybe.
Wow. I mean, I used to detail cars a long time ago. I had a detail truck.
It's a volume.
Our pressure washer.
It's a volume thing.
Okay.
It's not.
Our water pressure. Our pressure washer was 3,500. Was 3,500.